Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am cleaning out my bedroom. So I do have a pretty small bedroom, so it gets dirty pretty quick, so I find myself cleaning it pretty often. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So to start off, I'm gonna take everything off my bed, so all my blankets, all my pillows, and I'm just gonna throw my sheets into the washer and my pillowcases, and I'm gonna add in my Downy Unstoppable scent boosters. I love these so much. They make your sheets smell so good.
Know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go.
So once everything was done in the washer, I just threw it in the dryer, and then once it was done in the dryer, I just brought everything upstairs and I just made my bed.
If I'ma live by the want to be all I can, let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up if you want it.
I'm just gonna organize my dresser, make sure everything is in the places they're supposed to be and there's no clutter on it. And then I'm going to take my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and just spray the top of my dresser and make sure it's all clean.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Make your mind up, wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
I'm also just taking some Windex and I'm just going to spray my small little mirror and make sure that's clean, it has no fingerprints on it. And I'm also going to spray my big mirror and clean that off. So I don't do this every time I clean, but just once in a while. I'll just take a duster and go over my blinds and my window just to make sure there's no dust. I'm also just going over my side table with the duster because sometimes it gets a little bit dusty, and then I'm also taking my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and wiping it down. And the very last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to vacuum up all my floors. I have carpet throughout my whole room, so I always have to vacuum that. And the most important part out of all of this is a candle. So this is my candle from Bath & Body Works. It's bergamot scent, and I just love it so much. It has such a fresh, clean smell. So that is it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Maybe it gave you some motivation to clean your own room, or maybe something else in your house. So please leave a like down below and a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.